Hi, today we will see how we can design a splash screen for mobile app using Canva. So for that we have to come to the canva.com and then we have to type here like mobile. Sorry, let's go to the here and let's type here mobile. So you can see many templates are coming, but you need to choose the one with a mobile screen, which is getting fitted with the mobile screen, something like this. So we will choose that template. For example, this is one of the thing that can happen. You can also explore some others like this or this or even this. So this seems good, but this is a pro thing. In case if you want for free, you can choose the free one like this one. But I have a pro account, so I'll go with the premium version. So we will choose this one and we will click on the customize this template. So we are creating a splash screen for a bakery app. So we will delete this part. Where is the delete option? So we need to click on delete this. We will delete all these things. We don't need this. And we'll put the logo. So the logo was already designed. We'll go to the logo. Hmm, where is the logo gone? Okay, so this is the logo that we created. And for this, so we will put this. Sorry. So this is the image of the logo. We will put the logo here. We will bring this down. So you can customize the design as per your own choice. The steps are very simple and this is drag and drop. So we can remove these things and we can increase the size. We don't need this even this button. We don't need this as well. We don't need this. We will increase the size and place it a little bit above. We'll put all the text to the below and we will delete it from here. By clicking on the delete option, we will delete it. Let's take this to the top a little bit so you can align it and see the lines on the horizontal and the vertical line, and if it is aligned you can drop it, and these are the text, so we can put the text here. So here we can put whatever we want, like your favorite bakery. So we will reduce the size of the text so that it comes in one line, and we will put it here. Your favorite bakery store. So this is, if you want, we can change the font style. This is not looking that good, so we'll put some other style. This one, or maybe this one. This seems little better. So this is coming here. So this is the splash screen, which is ready. We'll put it in the center. If you want, you can also put certain other things here, like maybe we will put some text, like buy, develop by, so hotel. So this is the company name. Now we will just rename this. So bakery king class, and we will download it. We can increase the size if we need, but I think this size is sufficient. So we will just download it. So you can see this is the splash, how it looks. So we can just cut it out. So this is how you can design, you can customize as per your own choice. You can also put some elements from here. You can search the name of the elements, and you can put any graphic or image on any part of this, and design as per your own requirement. So this is it for the today, and thank you. Have a good day.